Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Medicare Allies Cooking. And my name is Luke. This is my sous chef. What's your name?
Hazel.
And how old are you?
4.
4. Perfect. And we today are going to make Fettuccine Alfredo bow tie pasta with some peas, some other good stuff. Not exactly the most healthy of dinners, but my wife is pregnant. So she's eating for 2, and so we're not going to worry about that. So come on over and let's take a look at what we got. First thing we're going to do, we're going to put a little olive oil in the pan.
Okay, Daddy.
Is that right, Hayes?
Mm-hmm.
And then we are going to toast off some pancetta. And I just have this. If you don't have pancetta, you can use bacon. This is 4 ounces, so we're going to use 2 of them, which would be 8 ounces of pancetta. Okay, let's see.
What, Daddy?
All right. Can you throw this away for me, sis?
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, we're just going to toast this off. And, what?
Okay, Daddy.
Thank you. And then,
Oh, that's a lot of
and then once this is done, we're going to, once this is brown, we're going to put some shallots. And then we're also going to put a little garlic. And then we're going to start making our sauce. And we got some bow tie pasta. We're going to just put the whole box in, cook it to whatever the box says. So looks like 11 minutes. So we got some boiling water going right now, and we're going to get this going as well. All right, going in. All right, toss that. And I got this skillet pretty hot, so this pancetta is not going to take very long. Okay. Once this pancetta is a little toasted, we're going to put half of a stick of butter just to kind of get the sauce going. And as we're melting that, I thinly sliced half of a shallot. So we're going to get that in the pot. And we're going to let that kind of go. And once that butter melts, then we'll squeeze in a little garlic, and then we'll get going on the sauce. Once the butter's melted, we're going to put in a couple cloves of garlic. I have a garlic press here, but if you don't have one of those, you can just chop it up real fine. We're going to squeeze that garlic in there.
Dad, we're talking.
All right, we're going to get 2 cloves of garlic.
Yeah, you had 2 cloves of garlic.
We're going to stir that garlic in just for about 30 seconds or so, or just until it becomes fragrant. Once that garlic's in there, we're going to put about half of a little thing of cream cheese. This looks like 7.5 ounces, so we're going to try and put half of
Dad,
it
that
in.
looks like of your sauce.
Yep, and it's chive and onion. So if you don't have this, regular cream cheese will be fine, but we like this. Adds a little bit more flavor. So we're going to use about half of this. Let's see. Okay, and we're going to mix that in. As that's mixing, we're going to get a little bit heavy cream. And we're just going to pour enough in here just to kind of thin it out.
That looks like milk.
Or the whole bottle.
Yeah. That looks good.
All right, once this sauce, I've got all the lumps out, we're going to keep stirring it. And then we're going to add some frozen peas. You like peas, sis?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to mix those in. And then once those peas are mixed in, we're going to add a little bit of seasoning. I'm using the Cattleman's Grill Italiano. If you don't have this, it's really just Italian seasoning. It's got salt, pepper, a little bit of crushed red pepper. But we're just going to season this to taste. And we're gonna mix that in.
That's a lot, Dad.
Is that a lot?
Yeah.
It's good stuff. And then we're gonna bring this up to a boil. And then once it's at a boil, we're gonna reduce the heat down to low and just let it simmer, and that way it'll thicken a little bit. Then once the pasta's done, we'll drain that, and it'll be about time ready to eat. Okay, the pasta's done, so we're gonna drain this. All right.
Facial.
Okay. And then our sauce is thickened nicely. So we're gonna add just a little bit of cheese, kind of sprinkle it in there. That'll thicken it up even a little bit more.
Yummy.
Nothing little about it.
A little bit more.
Well, you put a lot of cheese.
Well, do you like cheese?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna mix this
I
in.
like to eat it plain.
You like to eat it plain? We're gonna mix this in so it melts.
Yeah, I always.
And this is a little skillet, so hopefully we can fit it all in there.
Whoa, that's a lot.
That's a lot. And then all we do is just stir it in, make sure it's all incorporated, and we'll be ready to rock and roll. All right, that's it. What do you think, Hayes? Is it good?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. I only tried the bread, not the pasta.
Oh, okay. Houston, do you like it? No?
Yeah.
You like the bread?
Try
right.
that.
Well, guys, we're just finishing out AEP, and just wanted to say, oh, it's good. Thank you. Just want to say thank you. Thank you for all the business. I hope you and your family have a safe and great Christmas. If you guys need anything, give us a shout. You can always call 833-801-7999. Thank you. Merry Christmas.